everyone, it's Marisa with Sweet Pea Curiosities. Hope you're all doing great. So I just finished my second Christmas junk journal. I'm super excited about this one as well. It's just vintagey looking, and I just thought I'd do a quick flip through. I used my newest junk journal kit, my Winter Wonderland. It's a tall, skinny junk journal kit, but I didn't use it as a tall, skinny. I cut the pictures out of it and used it in this. I am probably going to do a tall, skinny with it as well, but I just wanted to kind of start with a regular junk journal with it. So that's what I kind of like about those kits. They're very versatile. You can do so many different things with them. But anyways, so here it is. It's about 6.5 by 4.5. It's a little smaller journal that I did. Again, I deconstructed a book, so it's already binded in. What I mean by that is that I took the book and I tore out several pages. I glued 2 pages together for each page just to make them a little thicker in there. I'm not real sure how many pages I ended up with, but it is, again, the gator mouth, which you know that I tend to do. And what I did here, I painted it on the back, distressed it, and then I stamped it with some Christmas stamps all over. I just kind of left this very simple with just that decoration, grunged it up. I did do this one a little bit more grungier. This here was an earring that I broke apart. Has the pretty shine snowflake on it. I did kind of a frame here where I raised the edges just to kind of distress it a little bit with this adorable picture of the little boy with the reindeer. I cut out some Christmas. This was Tim Holtz in his kit, and I just cut up some of the sayings here. Put a little embellishments on the side, a little lace. So yeah, so let's go ahead and dive in here. Has a lot of pockets, a lot of ephemera. I just love this kit with its vintage pictures that I have with the candy canes, ice skating. It does come with the words as well, phrases that I use throughout here. This little girl's praying with Jesus written on there. Isn't she adorable? Gingerbread man. This here, I just had some scrap pages that I just kind of tore up and used. Made another little pocket here. As you can see, I grunged up the pages. I sprayed them with Tim Holtz sprays. Then I took out some paints and I splattered white, red throughout. So you kind of see those in the background. These tabs come in the kit as well, so I use these. This here, I took one of the digitals and I printed on some canvas paper, so it's very aged, very muted. Little corner pocket. Isn't he precious? I printed as well on some translucent paper that I used here. Taped it in. And we have this sweet angel girl here. Again, a side pocket. This here was from an old card that I had. It's got the beautiful writing. It says, wishing you a real old-fashioned Merry Christmas. May the new year bring you health and happiness. And it's from Captain Frank E. Batcher, First Lieutenant Claude, Maine's Second Lieutenant Harrison B. Williams. So it's an old card that was written, but I loved the font and it's Christmas. Has another little pocket here. Here I took one and just kind of tore it. Little pocket. This here's just some old kind of material that I have. Another little tab. Again, here's that canvas. Just makes it look old. Canvas fabric that I printed on with a little side pocket. The kit comes with frames, so I cut out the frame, cut out the center, and then took one of the photos and put it inside. Put a little saying here and a little tag. And this here. Oops, did I put anything in there? Oh, yep, I did. And here's a little pocket. And we have another little side pocket here. There's some more of the paper that's in the kit that I printed onto the translucent. I loved that. It's so bright and vivid and red on there. And this sweet girl, look at her holding the little Christmas tree. Angel wings. So pretty. We have our gingerbread men. Did a pocket up here. Again, there's the translucent paper that I printed on. This one I glued over the top of the page because I love the design of it. Put this cute little boy here with his snowflake. Then this here, I kind of did a frame with the papers. Just kind of folded it over, crunched it up, kind of made it a little grungy. Not a super grungy junk journal, but it's got some elements to it. Put a little bird, a little belly band here. And this here's my little pocket. And just do a little flip here, a little pocket. A little Christmas scene here with the Christmas trees. A little pocket. A corner pocket. And this here, I had this kind of material that kind of reminds me of snowballs or snowflakes. That I made kind of a frame out of it, and then I had some, I don't know what this kind of paper is called, but kind of a craft kind of paper that's got little holes in it. I put over the top of that. I made a little pocket here. Boy with his presents, and this is a vintage Christmas card that I had. I liked it because of the red. It was pretty grungy from age, but I did grunge it up a little bit more. And this here, I just kind of took some white string stuff that I had, and I just kind of glued it all down around the picture. A sweet gingerbread and a little pocket. This one here. And the side pocket here. I just love Christmas. I need to start decorating. I always start decorating around this time. I'm going to start this weekend. I know it's before Thanksgiving, but I decorate so much that it takes me a bit. This is just a postcard here. And then I left the back. This is part of the book that I left, but it says notes on it, so I like that and just left that. So there it is. There's the back again. And there it is. All right, so just a quick flip through. I'll put the links down below of the kits that I used, and I hope that you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.